Humans might be the smartest, but what about the animal world? Who takes the crown? Chimpanzees are super smart. They can use tools, learn sign language, and even solve puzzles. Dolphins are incredible too. They communicate with clicks and whistles, even calling each other by name. And don't forget crows. They can remember faces, craft tools, and solve complex problems. From elephants showing empathy to octopuses escaping tanks, intelligence comes in many forms. So who's the smartest? It's tough to say, but each of these animals has genius-level skills in their own way. What's the smartest animal you've seen? Let us know in the comments.